Let us learn step by step how to upload your 1 minute reel and how do you post it by adding captions, tags, hashtags. So go to your Instagram account and click on say create. So it will say drag photos or videos here. So select from computer. So I have a dummy a 1 minute video with some voiceover. So I created as part of the tutorials. So I'm gonna upload that here. So once the video is uploaded, you can see that there is no banner seen here. That is because it is in the wrong format. So what you have to do is click on this little arrow marks, go here. Currently it is in 1:1 ratio. You have to change it to 19:16 ratio. So the moment you change it to 19:16 ratio, you can see the entire slide, right? You can see the entire slide. So this is very much important. This step you should not forget. Okay, so click here and choose a format 9:16. All right. Then you go to next step and it'll ask you to add some cover photo and etc etc. You don't have to add any of this information. Okay, don't change anything, just say next. Now here is where you'll be adding the caption. Okay, now let us see, we have already created the caption, isn't it? So let us copy paste that caption over here. So I'm copy pasting the entire caption, and please ensure that this pink information, right, the pink hashtags are added, also copied. So copy that and go back to your caption and copy paste them. All right, and read it and ensure that everything is fine and safe, right? So you'll be getting more hashtags, so you got to be doing those hashtags. And then what you have to do is you have to tag people. So click on this little profile kind of a button which says tag people, and pick the tags from over here. So tag, right? So okay, and search. Okay, so you should be adding one tag at a time such that it can take it. All right, so UN Women India, tag them and click on here add tag script area and copy this, come back here and say tag one more, Ministry of World. Okay, so these tags will be different for different people because the problem that you have attempted and the solution that you have created, depending on that, the chat gpt is suggesting that you should be tagging these people or these corporations and etc. So those corporations etc you'll be tagging. Change any of these settings, and then you would be sharing the reel, and then your reel has been shared. Okay, so you can close here and you can come down and actually you can see the reel. Okay, so click on the reel and it should start playing. Okay, so once that is done, what you can do is you can add a comment. So comments also we have created. So this is a comment. So join me in and etc etc etc. So copy all of this, go here and say add comment and click on post. So once it is posted, what you can do is now click on share post and you can search for your family, friends, Instagram accounts, and then you can share the post with them. Okay. For example, let us say, I'm not sure. All right. Seems I do have an account. Okay, Instagram. All right. Okay, go there and say send. Okay, and then click on these three buttons here. There are many options like share to or copy link. So share to, click on share to, and you can share directly to some person, or share to Facebook, share to Messenger, share to Twitter, share via email, copy link. You can choose all these options and use those options to share to as many people as possible. For example, when we say share to Facebook, it will open the Facebook, it will ask you to log in and then share it as a post, right? And say share via email, so it will take you to the email directly. Okay, it's not working at this point of time. So what you can also do is you can copy the link and go to your email ID and link it. Okay. Other way of doing it is you add that link to your message. Okay, copy this entire message, right, and go to your WhatsApp. Okay, and find the friend or friends or groups where you would like to share, and you share that message with them. Okay, so this is the process of creating your video. So this is a process of you uploading the video as a reel, adding the necessary caption, adding the hashtags, giving a comment using the comment option, tagging the required people. So follow these instructions meticulously. All the best.